Hello and welcome to Mind Rules. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This story comes out of Bristol, where a 22-year-old man who was committing armed robbery demanded chicken nuggets. Rudi Batten, aged 22, had already raided a takeaway the night before, fleeing with some chicken. The following morning, Batten raided McDonald's before demanding chicken nuggets. Batten was caught on CCTV taking money from the tills and holding a firearm to the head of a store manager and leading him to the safe, where he went on to take more cash. The gun turned out to be an imitation. Batten then asked for some chicken nuggets but had to settle for a double sausage muffin after being told the restaurant was only serving breakfast. Batten was jailed for 6 years at Bristol Crown Court for the raid. The staff was clearly terrified, as anyone would be. It's the last thing you would expect in a quiet takeaway in that part of the country. Batten pleaded guilty to 2 counts of robbery, 2 counts of having an imitation firearm, and 1 count of possessing a knife or blade in a public place. Batten had said the offences were carried out in order to pay back a debt and out of fear of what would happen to his family if he failed to pay off the debt. He got himself involved in drugs and drink and had no way of paying off the debt. Sometimes being in debt can drive people to do things that they wouldn't normally do. Maybe it was true that he was in debt, but this was quite extreme, and the way how he carried out these robberies. Hopefully when he comes out of prison, he makes better life decisions. Now you guys let me know what you think about this case in the comments. And like always, I hope to see you in my next video.